I hope Dennis doesn't think the race is over. Oh, 2-for-1 special, let's go! Ah! Oh my god, oh my god. Okay.
Dude, I was coming over to push you.
That was nice, thank you!
This week's challenge night, we did a bunch of leader outside the cones racing, which if you're unfamiliar with, we put some cones up on the track in a couple of sections, and every time the person who is in first place hits that cone section, they have to go around the outside of those cones. So it makes them take a longer path, keeps us all bunched up. It's an exciting night of racing. And then once we hit 2 laps left in the race, we stop doing that and it turns into a regular race. So it helps it be a little less of a casino race near the end of it, you know, as we have in the past, but still a little bit of an RNG fest, but that's okay. It's still a lot of fun. We ended up doing this because there are a couple corporate events that were going on. Shout outs to the winners of those events. I mean, it's hard to win a race. Now with that said, it made the night a little bit delayed, but Boss is so good that they take care of us whenever stuff goes really bad. So shout outs to them. This is one of the reasons why I continue to go there, because they're always looking out for their customers, and I greatly appreciate that. But let's see what happens in the races.
All right, we are back for challenge night. They have stuffed as many people as they possibly can into this race. We have 15 people doing a leader outside the cones race, which I will presumably have explained in the intro at this point. If not, I will presumably have put instructions on the screen as well. So you don't have any excuse not to know what I'm talking about, okay? Yeah, it's going to be a wild one. Please don't die in turn 1. Please don't die in turn 1. Please don't die. Okay, thanks. Okay, good. Okay, no one destroyed me from behind. That's good. Wow! Okay, we almost made it. We almost made it. Okay. Okay. Get in there, boys. Okay, we just gotta sort some things out here. Okay. It's a very tense situation. I may be low on talking for a minute here until we sort some things out. There's a lot going on right now, okay? Get in there, bud. Get in there, bud. What are you gonna do, Clay? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Took a little wide there. I didn't know what was going to happen. Ooh, I feel good on this course. I think I was the fastest in practice, which is awesome. I think by a pretty good margin too. At least in my warm-up, I know I was like half a second faster than everyone. Which is good. Oh, I'm taking that turn so well right now. not sure I'm doing that one, though, that well, though. I feel like I'm losing momentum somewhere in there. I hit that good. All right, Clay, let's go, bud. Let's go, bud. Let's go. Come on, we gotta get ahead before the 2 to go flags come out. We gotta get some space before the 2 to go flags. Get me in, let me in, let me in! What? I thought we were gonna get 2 to go flags here in a second. Wow, sorry, Clay. Sorry. Okay. You braked a little harder than expected there. All I know is that's not gonna be good for me because I'm gonna come out in the middle of people now. Let me in! I hope Dennis doesn't think the race is over. It's going to be real awkward if he thinks the race is over. Okay, I thought he was implying he thought the race was over by those fist pumps. You gonna make a move, Clay? What we gonna do? What we gonna do, brother? All right, good race, good race. Missed. All right, back for race 2. Finished 3rd in the other one. It's pretty fun having this many people out here for sure. Now we get to start in the back, so let's see if we can pass people or if we're gonna get caught up in God knows what. But here we go. Ow! Somebody smacked me real good back there. Okay, we're fine. Okay, good. Oh, 2 for 1 special. Let's go. Okay, good. Okay, brother. All right. Okay, brother. Okay. Stay there. Thank you. Just survive, brother. Just survive. Okay, good. We made it. Another one. Let's go. Let's get up into the dang rotation, huh? A little wide there, Dave. Okay, now it's going to be a little hard to pass people, I think. Now we're getting into the regulars. Okay, never mind. There's Dave. Sorry, Dave. Ah! Guys, can we? Son of a... Who was that? Can we make the turn? Instead of using me as a brake pedal and getting me sideways? I had a nice clean pass on Dave, and then I get punished on turn 1. Oh boy. Someone is ow! Guys, come on, what's happening? Is Clay yelling at me back there? I presume it's Clay back there yelling at me. Yeah, it's definitely Clay. Oh boy. Ow! Get in there, Dave. Get in there. Oh. I think we both could have passed him, Dave. I think we both could have got him if you pushed your way in there. We are banging all over the place. Wow, everybody is smacking everybody. Oh my God, guys, can we? I'm sorry, Dave. I'm not hitting you on purpose. It's just I'm getting careened into back there. You know I wouldn't do that to you, Dave. Okay. Yes, give me the spot. Give me the spot. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, dude. Okay. Oh boy, it's crazy in the middle, isn't it? It's crazy in the middle. Wow, no. I could have been sideways. That is for sure. I don't know what is happening behind me. The backup camera's going to be wild, I'm sure. Ow! Ow! Oh, I'm sorry, Dave. I'm sorry. We're getting hit everywhere. I'm sorry, Dave. Oh my God, what the hell? What happened? Get in there, Dave, get in there, get in there. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh, oh, I think I got you. I think I got you. All right, back for the feature race qualified pole. Let's go. But it's a leader outside the cones race, so it really doesn't matter that much. So, we'll see how it goes. And let's go. Okay, all right. All right. I didn't get a huge warm-up lap because I had to go from last to first, but that's okay. I'm sure my tires will warm up. All right, gotta take the cones. Hello, Brian. Oh my gosh, these tires are cooked. I feel like I pulled on Clay really fast. I don't know what his kart is like if I was able to pull on him that quickly. Oh, no, okay. I did that really badly. I did it really badly. All right, Clay, let's go, bud. What are we doing? It's okay. It's okay. All right, let's go. Uh-oh, what happened to Brian? Brian is very far back. He must have been the one who got the recipient of whatever turning happened. Okay, if we can just keep being in this position, I will be very happy. So let's just keep coming out of this one in second, and I will be perfectly happy. Okay, thanks. Let's keep doing that. How about we keep doing this? If we can keep doing that, that would be great. That's okay. It's okay. A lot of race left. A lot of race left. At least I presume there's a lot of race left. I should probably try to look and see how many laps are on the board. All right, we're back in the position I want to be. Okay, I think I saw how many laps are left. Now, the question is when they throw this flag. Is it this one or the next one? I think it's this one, right? Let's go, let's go. Come on, brother. Okay, okay, we got some space. We got some space. Oh, we got a lot of space. We got a lot of space. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. Execute, execute. Oh, wow. Okay, we got a lot of space. We're kind of crushing it right now. Let's go, let's go. Challenge night victory, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
So yeah, certainly liked how the night ended. That's for sure. It's actually a pretty entertaining night overall. We got the W in the end, and that's really all that matters. Even if it was a little bit of an RNG fest, I think I was pretty clear that I was one of the fastest people all night. My warm-up was really fast, and then you can see at the end of that race, I just pulled away from everybody. So great night overall. If you like what you saw, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. But you know, do whatever you want. Have a good one.